Exciting day. I know it's the first, but it's also the day that I'm dropping my book. It is a holy grail of sorts. It is going to be your nutrition gym Bible of how to crush your goals and still not be bored. This is for anybody, 20 to 60, men, women, plant-based, non-plant-based, anybody who is looking to crush your gym goals, maintain the body you want, and still be healthy. So whether you already have a trainer and you just need the food, if you are a trainer and you're trying to help your clients, those of you who may be individuals I've spoken to in the past and maybe you just weren't ready, but you know you need something, this is the way to get a chance to work with me from afar right through my book. Inside that book are over 80 different recipes to help you mix and match, to help you truly get started on your gym goals. But this isn't a New Year's resolution. This is something that you can do for the entire year. This does come with instant download and an e-reader version. For those of you who like a physical copy, you can order that as well. And that too comes with instant download and an e-reader version. And remember, this is for any and everybody who is looking to crush their gym goals. It'll feel like I'm right in your back pocket with some of my most popular recipes, 60 plus in food and at least 25 in juicing. So you can stop buying all those post-workout and pre-workouts and you can do something a lot more natural. So I'm excited to share it with you. I hope that you love it and I cannot wait to see your pictures. So let me know how you feel about it. I'll talk to you soon.